Right guys, finally here. That's my 7-scale collection done. Got my Mojave here now, so a bit crazy this year with RC cars. Life's not killing me though, so it's all good. But this will be the first ever driving this, so absolutely excited about that. It's as you can see, just Arrma quality everywhere, metal chassis, everything. Unlike my UDR, which the diff just blew, but we'll forget about that because this is the daddy now. So here we go. Oh, before I go as well, also, if you turn the camera around, I've got my boy Lucas.
Hello.
Bringing the handsome looks to the channel today, like, so, right, here we go. Here you go, it's Lucas's first ever shot in RC car, and what a choice it is. Mojave. Oh. No. Rookies, I don't know. This car's absolutely amazing. What I'll probably do, guys, is I'll put some of the footage up in the car when Lucas isn't tipping it over.
Cheers.
And what we'll do is we'll just kind of make a wee montage up on the channel. I'll not do too much talking. A bit too excited today, and we'll do, probably next time we get out, we'll do some big jumps and stuff. But yeah, just for a wee try it just now. It's absolutely amazing. Right guys, all I can say, it's not coming out my nose ever in excitement. This car is amazing. Absolutely love it. There'll be more of this on the channel coming soon. We'll get some big jumps up, getting me feel it today. 2 battery packs, and my man behind the camera, Lucas, on his first shot in RC, loving it as well. So yeah, fun afternoon out, but now time to get back to the family. I'll get this video up soon. Catch you guys next episode. Cheers.